Imagine, and if I can dig a volcano. Watch out below! Welcome to JackJackPlays.
What time is it?
It's unboxing time.
What do you got?
A front nose.
Let's open it.
Yeah.
Look what we got, guys. This is a Tonka Classic Steel front loader. This is one of the last ones that we don't have. Are you ready to open this, Jack?
Yeah.
Let's do it. I think it's just gonna come right out. Let's hope there's not so many twisties. Check this out, Jack. We have it. There's only one little twisty here that I have to get untied. I didn't bring a scissors. Okay, look, we've got it. I've got the twisty off. You ready to play with this thing? Look, it's bendy in the middle. That's really cool. All right, first shoveling. What can you do with this?
You can lift it.
Look, it's got a handle that you can lift it by. We really needed one of these, didn't we?
Yeah. Put it up again. Actually, you do.
Oh, nice. That is a good load you got in there. Oh, I see. That yellow thing can be used to lock it into place.
How do you lock it into place?
Something like that. Lift the handle all the way. And now watch. Now you set it down. Like that. What are you doing, silly Jack Jack? Oh. Beep, 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 beep. It's in tight. Bless you.
Know how scooper does?
Yeah.
Scoop it. It wouldn't do it. The jobs. It's my job to do it. It's only me.
Only you?
I only have to leave the stuff up.
Okay. Would you like the kids to help you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be nice, but not Daddy's. So serious.
Really hard dirt.
Really hard dirt. Are you getting to the bottom? Oh, it looks like maybe there's like a tarp underneath all these wood chips that this park has. I don't think you can dig deeper than that. We need to find a new spot. Better go dump that load.
Yes. I'm gonna dump it right here.
What a great dump, Jack. Great dump.
I'm gonna dump Here we go.
It's going to be bigger than a forklift could handle.
Tearing up that earth. Check off of this job, ripping up the earth. It's concrete pieces. I'm here to get the dirt. Looks like it's not full yet. That pile up there is gonna be not looks like it's not full yet. We have to take the pile.
So one thing about this front loader is that it's not all steel like some of the other toys that we have. So I wonder if it's not one of the classic steel. I have to admit that the shovel on this just doesn't hold up compared to some of the other Tonka toys. It's a little bit wobbly. You grab it by the handle and I try and push it through the dirt, but it still does a pretty good job. But it's held on only by these little tabs here.
Our scooping truck digs holes. That's how a digger digs holes.
Molly, how do you feel about this? Look what's coming, Jack. Something rough and tough. It's the trencher backhoe thing. I was trying to figure this thing out a little bit better. See how there's like little different levels in here you can hook that thing on. So that gives you different shovel positions with support. I can come there.
It's pushing up. It's going out. Why did you scoop this?
Why not?
Did you scoop this?
Nope. I got my own pile.
You made it? Where?
He's very concerned that I scooped his dumping pile. We'll have to scoop it before we leave, though. We're staying here forever? hit you in the butt.
Okay. Noise. Imagine, and if I can dig a volcano.
Oh my goodness, that would be crazy and kind of scary.
Lava can come down.
Oh no, not lava! Well, you have to learn how to use the handle. It's a little tricky. You could do it like that.
Look at that lucky work and dirty work. Dirty. Oh, this is junky work too, right? Ready to go to the hole. You dug through here and did that. Dump it on this.
What are we gonna dump?
We're gonna dump it
Dump what's it?
on the playground.
Oh, sand and dirt?
I have to clean next.
Dirt don't hurt.
Gonna collect some wood chips. Wood chips, boy. I'm getting the hang of it. Now I'm gonna carry it. So it gets oh. Big scooping is just a really big job for this job.
Wow, look at all the dust.
It flies out. Flies out with piles of dirt. Good job. Fun. That job was really fun. I can get the hang of that. Ugh.
Oh, you found the mother lode of wood chips. Don't bump your head.
Don't go out. Go out. Big scoop here. Good thing I got a big scoop. Good thing I got a big scoop. Right?
Right. Jack, do you have dirty hands? It's okay. We love dirt.
Up another load. Look. Looks like that's a big load. Good job. Load is being a big load.
Guess this front loader works pretty well after all, huh? We like the big scoop, don't we?
Oh, see rocks.
What are you gonna do to that pile?
I'm gonna scoop it. I did it. Look, I did it.
You did.
Oh, in the sandbox. Push. It's gonna work. Yay! Yay! It fell over. So we have to tow it up again.
Look at the road you made. Like a track.
I didn't make the road yet. Whoa.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look, it's dropping the load. I'll scoop off
There it comes.
the edges. It drops. Look at it. It's coming. Load's coming. Ah! Watch out for the dirt. Watch out below. Recycling! Was that a fun job?
It sure was. What are you doing now?
I'm digging the hole. Scrape.
Are you using your hand shovels?
Of dirt.
What of dirt? You're gonna make a pile?
Yeah. Watch out below.
Oh.
I'll push it and push it. I'm loading up. Oh. Watch out below.
You got dirty pants. Jack, that thing's not gonna go down the slide. Oh, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh.
Jack, do you want to say goodbye to the kids?
No.
No. Do you want to thank them for watching Jack Jack Plays?
No.
Do you want to tell them to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if they like our videos?
No.
What do you want to tell them?
Tell them do it again.
Do what again?
The video again.
Oh, watch another video. Sounds like a good idea. Okay, I hope you liked our video, guys. Bye.
Oh, Daddy, come on. Daddy, try to tag me.
Why don't you come down at me?
I can't.
Please.
I'm gonna. Daddy pants. Ow.
Ouch.